Hi ladies, I'm going to show you a quick and easy eye look that you can do with a couple of shadows from palette 1, and that is kind of our browns and gold color. And then I'm going to use our new Splurge cream shadow called Hopeful, and it is the pale pink color. I'm loving this color. So basically how I'm going to start is I already have my eyes primed with our eye primer. And I'm going to put on just kind of a base coat. And I'm going to go with this color called Elated, which is here at the far left of the palette. And just using kind of a fluffy deluxe brush, I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And you can put it up into the brow bone as well for a highlighting color, but just kind of get that color all over your lid. Same thing on this eye, is just get it up there and get it on. And it's just kind of that primer kind of transition color that's going to blend everything in. Then I'm going to use a little bit of this color called, I think I'm going to go with Forthright. You can use Chipper too if you don't want it to be quite so dark, but I'm going to go with this color here, which is just a dark chocolate brown. And this time I'm going to use a crease brush, which is just kind of a cone-shaped brush, and that allows you to get it in that crease. And I'm just going to tap a little bit of that product, tap it off a little bit, and start working just in the corner, kind of the corner V of my eye, make it dark there, and then sweep it over like a windshield wiper into that crease all the way over. And I go a little bit higher than the actual crease, kind of up onto my brow bone, because I have a hooded lid and that brown color won't show when I open my eyes unless I go up a little bit higher. And so it's kind of just a sideways triangle where you're going with that darker shade just kind of as a contrast color in the corner of your eye. And then I'm going to blend that a little bit, but I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Again, just that outer V, sweep it into the crease, and I go a little bit higher, kind of up to the bottom of my brow bone, just so that I see that transition, that outer color, when I open my eyes, because my lids are a little bit more of a hooded lid. And I try to get them even. That's always the challenge, is getting them both the same color, but again, just kind of there in that outer corner. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my bottom lid, and I'm going to use today the color that comes in this month's Kudos, which is kind of just this really pretty eggplant purple color. So I'm going to line my bottom lid with that. Just get it on there. And that'll just give you that little pop of purple. And then I'm going to take what's left on this crease brush, that brown color, and I'm just going to kind of swipe it to bring some of that brown color down underneath as well. Okay, then I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to blend that in so it's not quite so harsh. So again, I just use the one that we have, and I'm just going to kind of do little circular motions to blend that in so that it's it doesn't have quite as harsh of an edge to it. And that's really key to doing some of these shadow looks, is to make sure you're blending so there aren't any harsh lines. I take mine up a little bit higher here too, because I think that that lifts your actual eye look a little bit. And so I just kind of swipe it and blend until it's all blended. And then I'm just going to add that pink color to the first half of my eye. So again, I use our cream shadow brush because it's nice and flat. I don't know if you can see that, and it really makes applying these cream shadows so much easier. And so again, it's that pretty pink color. I'm loving this color. It'll go with browns, with grays, with purples. Super versatile. So just take a little bit of that onto your brush. Tiny bit goes a long way. And then I'm just going to pat that on the first half of my lid. And look how pretty that is. It's just a gorgeous soft color. And again, I'll do the same on the other side. And then once this dries, it becomes more of kind of a powdery finish. Then you can do another little swipe with your blending brush and get it all blended together. If at this point you need to darken up that corner, you can as well with a little bit more of that darker shade. But like I said, a little bit of this goes a long way, and it's just a gorgeous color to kind of open up and highlight the eyes. So I'll wait for just a minute, and then I'm going to blend that, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of black eyeliner, and I do that in the inside waterline, very close. I don't line it thick with the black, but just enough to give my lashes some fullness. And so I'm just going to blend this pink color in just a little bit, not a lot. Don't need a lot of blending with it. I'm going to add that black eyeliner, and then I'll add some lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. Okay, so there you have it. I added some lashes and then the new lipstick that comes in this month's Kudos, and this is just a great everyday look. Like I said, you can add a little gray color to it. You can do a purple, but that pink splurge shadow is definitely one of my all-time favorites that we've had because it's just so versatile. You can spark it up for nighttime, but it's just a great everyday look. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.